NeoTech Process, where next-gen factories, robotics, and sci-fi engineering come to life. In this colossal biomechanical factory, cars are not assembled, they are cultivated from living metal.
At its core, an unseen emblem of woven biosteel symbolizes machines that grow instead of ever being built.
On an empty midnight highway, a single vehicle glides, its silhouette liquid and unnervingly alive.
Its skin flexes like muscle as it turns, and beneath the metal, something almost seems to breathe.
Is not welded, cast, or bolted. It is grown, a living machine of metal and light.
They call it the BioSteel Exo-Car, a cultivated vehicle woven from self-healing, bioengineered metallic vines.
Its body is made from biosteel, combining spider silk strength, copper-like conductivity, and living tissue's instinct to repair.
BioSteel is a protein-based alloy laced with metallic ions, behaving like a plant that drinks pure current.
Inside vast nutrient fog domes, this living metal is coaxed into the full shape of a car.
From the outside, eats in translucent pearl.
Beneath that mist, trellis-like frames rise from the floor, wrapped in nascent strands of metallic vines. This chamber is a biosteel nursery, where vehicles begin as seedlings of programmable, living alloy.
Here, design systems write a genome for each car, defining how its frame, skin, and nerves grow.
That blueprint is encoded into biosteel seeds, tiny metallic nodules packed with synthetic DNA and molecular circuits. Robotic manipulators place the seeds into growth cradles, invisible field generators shaped like a car's outline.
Each cradle projects a three-dimensional force landscape, a trellis of energy and the future vines instinctively follow.
Around the cradle, nutrient fog thickens, every droplet a capsule carrying metals, carbon chains, and catalysts. Then the seeds wake. Hair-thin biosteel filaments emerge, each strand glowing softly as it searches the field. They spread like roots in reverse, tracing invisible paths where wheels, pillars, and doors will eventually exist. As they grow, nutrient mist condenses along each strand, plating protein cores with hardening metallic shells. Over time, vines thicken and braid together, forming dense woven armor where strength is needed, flexible lattices elsewhere.
Magneto-organic guide arrays bend their paths gently, turning wild tendrils into disciplined, load-bearing architecture.
Once the skeletal frame stabilizes, hovering platforms deliver organs, a power core, neural gel, and sensor membranes.
They do not simply snap in. Docking interfaces secrete compatible biosteel, fusing modules directly into the vines. Circuits and veins interweave as conducting pathways grow through the frame, linking heart, nerves, and metallic bones.
Once the primary exoskeleton completes, growth slows. The car's color is grown, not painted. Microscopic photonic crystals arrange within the skin's outer layers.
By shifting their spacing, the Exo-Car can ripple between hues, from deep matte black to mirror-like chrome.
Inside, softer biosteel derivatives foam into seats and panels, blooming from the floor before their cells lock.
These porous structures stay quietly alive, able to reconfigure over time to match each future driver's body.
Then the weather changes. Sonic storms ripple through the dome, while heat pulses train the car's crystalline structure.
This is tempering, not destruction. Its lattice learns how to bend, absorb force, and protect its core. Now the neural core awakens. A slow electric pulse spreads, like the first heartbeat of an organism.
In place, it trains on simulated roads, practicing rain, sharp corners, and surprises to build driving instincts. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more.